Okay, I'll start. Good morning, Assalamu alaikum, one and all. So, today we'll start with the drug which is having synthetic part in your antidepressant drug. So, antidepressant drug, totally 12 drug you have to study. The structure, chemical name, uses of 12 drug and one synthesis and mechanism of action, how this antidepressant drug will work out. So that all these things we have finished. Then the next category of drug under classification of antidepressant. Next category is the class of drug which involves an antidepressant are immunostabine. The next category of drug under immunostabine. Okay. The next category, what we are going to study, that is immunostabine. I'm going to write over here the immunostabine. So this, the class of drug, the example of class of the drug, for this you have to study the synthetic part. So this drug is having asterisk mark or star mark in your syllabus. So this is the category immunostabine. The example of drug associated with the immunostabine is carbamazepine. So example is carbamazepine, immunostabine. So these are the category of drug. If we are going to look at the mechanism of action of this drug, of course, all these drug what we are studying, they are having the capacity to control the central nervous system. Okay, under this controlling power, controlling of central nervous system, we are having different parts. Some drugs will act as sedative hypnotic, some drugs will act as antidepressant. So different patients are having different kind of deficiency associated with this, with that. So those associated deficiency are classified. So classified and grouped accordingly. So those group of deficiency contain different kind of class drugs which were acting on those kind of deficiency. Controlling center to have, but different patients having different disorders. So those disorder can be treated with different drugs. So those different drugs associated with different class like immunostabine, barbiturate, then hedentoin, all these drugs. So according to the group we are going. So sedative hypnotic we have covered up. So some drugs which are there in the sedative hypnotics, they are worked as an antidepressant. Some drugs which are having antidepressant activity will work out in the sedative and hypnotics. Like in the example in the case of diazepam. Diazepam is having capacity to treat the antidepressant also. Sorry, anticonvulsant also, then also used in the treatment of sedative and hypnotics. Both disorders, they can be utilized with the deficiency associated with the both disorder. Here full classification we are going to see at the end of full classification we have done. At the end we'll see how many drugs we have done in this topic. So this is the last topic of anticonvulsant. So this is the drug for which we have to see the synthetic part. So as already I said, अगर mechanism of action इसका देखेंगे, if we are going for the mechanism of action, the mechanism of action is similar to phenytoin. Similar to phenytoin, the immunostabine क्या करेगा? It limits the mechanism of action. अगर देखें, it is the mechanism of actions are similar to phenytoin, but this class of drug, what this class of drug will do, they will limits means they will block, they will limit the repetitive firing of action potential. So what it will do, the class of drug which is comes under this category like immunostabine, under that immunostabine we have to study everything, all the things, mechanism of action, synthesis, structure, uses, chemical name, all the things related to this drug carbamazepine. That is an example of immunostilbene. This is the derivative of immunostilbene. Carbamazepine is the derivative of immunostilbene. If we see the mechanism of action, this drug is having similar property or similar characteristics, similar mechanism of action like phenytoin, but specially what it will do, it will limit the repetitive firing of action potential. Here what will happen, the repetitive firing of action potential in this, the action potential क्या होगा यहाँ पे, if the repetitive firing of action potential, then the entry and exit of the entry and exit of sodium sodium as well as potassium ion will be, the ionic potential will be increased. Entry of sodium ion, exits of potassium ion in a high concentration. So what this drug will do, this drug will limit the concentration of entry and exit of this sodium as well as potassium ion. Means it work on the ionic channel, sodium as well as potassium ionic channel. Repetitive firing of action potential means what the person is doing, he only don't know. So that is the stage of one kind of depression. But we are studying this drug under the class of anticonvulsant. If repetitive firing means more number of entry of sodium ion, more number of exits of potassium ion. So this kind of drugs will block means it won't block the entry and exit of all the sodium and potassium ion, but it will limit the entry and exit of sodium and potassium. As it will get limited, the repetitive firing of action potential will be reduced. Okay? So these are acting directly on the sodium channel, not on potassium channel. If sodium channel is entered, then potassium channel will get exit. So they are acting directly on the sodium channel. So this drug, carbamazepine, sold under the brand name of Zen, Z-E-N, and Zeptol. Okay. Now, we'll see the structure of this drug. The structure of this drug is very easy, not that much hard. We are having one 7-membered ring associated with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 member contain one nitrogen atom. ठीक है, जो 7 member रहेगा, here we are having one nitrogen atom. That nitrogen atom associated with amide group, okay, CONH2. With this thing here, we are having one double bond on the 7th member, but this 7-member ring associated with the 2 phenolic group or 2 benzene group. Sorry, 2 benzene. We can say benzene or we can say phenol. So we'll do the saturation of this thing. Saturation up. Now we have done. This is the structure of carbamazepine. It comes under the category of immunostilbene. Now, what is the next main part? Here we are studying the numbering of carbon atom or nitrogen atom associated in the structure. If we are giving the proper numbering or labeling to the carbon atom or nitrogen atom, any kind of heteroatom associated in the group, that will help us to write the IUPAC name for that drug. So here, this one, so numbering, we can start from this. We can't start the numbering from this onward because 2 major groups were associated with this. So we can start from this. We can start from this carbon atom. If in heterocyclic chemistry, well, in TYB form, we have studied how to give the numbering if more than one cyclic atoms are associated with the unstable ring, that is 7-membered, 8-member or 9-member ring. ठीक है, अभी यहाँ से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं नंबरिंग, यहाँ से भी, एनी फ्रॉम एनीवेयर इट विल गेट नंबर 5. अगर इधर से स्टार्ट करेंगे तब भी नाइट्रोजन एटम को 5 मिलेगा. If you are starting from here onwards, then also this number of nitrogen will get 5. But we can't start the numbering from this onward because it is, these 2 rings are in front of the plane of paper and this ring is behind the plane of paper. Okay, these 2 rings are in front. So we are going to start the numbering from this or this. किधर से भी आप start कर सकते हैं. In your examination, don't get confused. You can start from here. You can start from here. See, writing the labeling to the carbon atom in examination is not necessary. It's not like that you have to give the numbering. Here why I'm numbering to everything, because IUPAC name, I'm writing the IUPAC name associated with this structure. Okay, because in your syllabus it is mentioned that specifically mentioned that you have to study the IUPAC name of the structure. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So here we'll find, अगर मैं इधर से स्टार्ट करूंगी तब भी you will get the 5th position. ठीक है, here also will get 5 recording. Okay, we'll get 5. ठीक है, now this one is 6 as usual, 6 7 8 9. Here we are having, in between 10 and 11 we are having one double bond in 7 carbon, in between the carbon atoms. Okay, in between these two carbon atoms we are having one double bond. So this double bond help us to write the metabolic process. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे. Now we have labeled the carbon atom and nitrogen atom. Now I'm going to write the IUPAC name of the structure. So IUPAC name, okay, it's very easy. On 5th position, we can write the IUPAC name in 2 ways. Both the way I'm going to show you. On 5th position, 1H hydra. Okay, 1H hydra. 2 benzene atoms are there. So I'm going to write dibenz. Okay, dibenz. B and F, if we are labeling with the double with the alphabet, because this one is a major ring, this one is a minor ring. So major ring can be given by the can be labeled with the alphabet, and minor ring can be labeled with the numbers. So here अगर हम उसको कट करेंगे, लेबल करेंगे, then we'll get the B and F. 7-member ring it is, 1 nitrogen atom, that's why it is azepine. ठीक है, 5 on 5th position we are having carboxamide, ketonic group plus amide. So then carboxamide. So this is the one way of writing the chemical IUPAC name for this structure. Another one way of writing IUPAC name for this structure, I'm going here I'm dictating. You can go either with this one, or you can go with the second name. So जो आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, easy लग रहा है, it help you to remember the name of the structure, you can go along with that. ठीक है, ये एक नाम हो सकता है. Another one name you can do, another one thing, 5 carbamol, directly I am writing on 5th position. At last we have mentioned the carbamide group, but in this name I am starting with the carboxamide. Instead of writing carbamol, 5H, okay, 5H dibenz B and F, similarly azepine. ऐसे भी लिख सकते, ठीक है. You can go with this, you can इसको you can write this one at the beginning or at the end, whatever it may be. Both the names were correct, ठीक है. You can go with this name, IUPAC name, or else you can go with this IUPAC name. See your will and wish, जैसे भी लिख रहे हो, बट ऐसे ही लिखना है, कुछ उसके अंदर गड़बड़ मत करना IUPAC name में, ठीक है. So next thing we'll see the chemical class of that carbamazepine. Chemical class, it is belonging to, here only I will write the chemical class of this drug. Chemical class, it belongs to the class of, it belongs to the carbamazepine, it belongs to the class of 5H carbamol, 5H dibenz BF azepine. ठीक है, BF azepine. Structure है, in your examination you are getting the structure as in the last class I have dictated you that if you are getting structure, write the chemical name and chemical category of the structure. means you have to write the IUPAC name of that structure and chemical category of that structure. How to write the chemical category? If you are not remembering, here I have dictated this is the class of this group, then here I have written like that, but you are not remembering in your examination. Look on to the structure and predict how many rings were associated with the major one. Means you are having two benzene ring along with the 7-membered ring. It means this is the derivative of biphenyl azepine के अंदर on 5th position you are having saturation that is connected with carbamazepine. So you don't have to write this one. The basic nucleus is dibenzyl So here on 5H you don't have anything, you are having hydrogen atom. It means that is connected with something. 5H dibenz. B and F you are not remembering. You can write the dibenzazepine derivative. It belongs to the class of dibenzazepine because you are having two benzene ring. यहाँ पर modification आप कर सकते. You can increase the carbamide chain because this proton is associated with. You can replace this proton with next methyl group. You can replace it with benzyl group. You can replace one proton with the sodium ion. You can make a drug sodium carbamazepine sodium. You can prepare the drug like that also. So that drug is converted into salt form. That is one kind of derivative. अगर sodium यहाँ पे नहीं है, if you are converting this one into the salt of that salt form, then it is sodium. That is carbamazepine sodium it is. So सोडियम यहाँ पे एक प्रोटॉन निकल जाएगा, सोडियम आयन अटैच हो जाएगा. So that is the derivative. Derivative means look at onto the structure, chemical class वही रहेगी जो structure associated है, उस जो ring associated है उस structure के साथ में. ठीक है. So this is about the chemical name and chemical class. So this one is a star mark drug in your syllabus. We have to go with the synthesis of this drug. So last class we have in the क्या बोलते हो भाई वो sedative and hypnotics we have done one synthetic part. Here also we are going with another one, carbamazepine synthesis of carbamazepine synthesis. Okay, so synthesis involves addition of two molecules of I'm going to write the structure. This is the starting material. This is the chlorine atom associated with NNO2. Okay, two molecule of, so I'll write 2 here. Two molecules of 2-nitrobenzyl chloride. Okay, 2-nitrobenzyl chloride we have taken. Okay, two molecule. So that two molecule of nitrobenzyl chloride we are going to add with sodium amide, NaNH2, sodium amide. Will do alkylation of this one, means self alkylation. It will itself undergo alkylation because it is sodium. Self alkylation. So two molecules of nitrobenzyl chloride we have taken, means we are getting two benzyl group. Okay, two benzene atom structure के अंदर ही आ जाएंगे because it is two molecule. ठीक है. So that structure will look like this. Intermediate structure it is what we are going to generate over here. So यहाँ पे another one benzene ring will associated with this one. दो structure आ गए. ठीक है. दो means दो chlorine atom थे अपने पास. It all became like this. Two nitrogen atoms were involved with it. So here NO2, another one NO2, two nitrogen atoms. ठीक है. Now what else we got? One chlorine got eliminated. One chlorine is there as it is. ठीक है. Now what will happen? We require one double bond in the structure. That double bond we are going to get, of course, with elimination of HCl. HCl will get eliminated from this reaction. Okay, HCl जैसे eliminate हो जाएगा रिएक्शन के अंदर से, we are going to get one double bond over there, but nitrogen atoms were as it is. ठीक है, एक डबल बॉन्ड एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा तो नाइट्रोजन एटम वैसे ही रहेंगे जैसे हैं. ठीक है, NO2 over here and another one NO2 over here, then one double bond over here. So elimination of this chlorine atom with the proton, already it is there with that liquid. Hydrochloric acid will get eliminated. The elimination of chlorine ion lead to formation of double bond over here. So now we got the double bond. Now we will do the catalytic reduction of this ring. Okay, if we are doing reduction, this NO2 will converted into amine group. Okay, टू अमाइन ग्रुप. तो कैटालिटिक रिडक्शन करेंगे हम लोग इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ प्रोटॉन. कैटालिटिक रिडक्शन विल डू एट दिस स्टेज. कैटालिटिक रिडक्शन करेंगे हम लोग. रिडक्शन if you are doing the reduction of this ring, then we'll get 2 NH2 in place of NO2. ठीक है, benzene as it is. ठीक है, then 7 membered ring as it is. डबल बॉन्ड जो है उधर ही रहेगा, कुछ नहीं होगा उसको. So this is the ring over here, all the bonds, but the difference is here we are getting 2 NH2 in place of NO2 because we have done the reduction in presence of catalytic agent. Catalytic agent means any kind of protonating agent. So that protonating agent we have added in place of nitro, we got amine group. Okay. If we are heating this one, okay, when we are heating, one molecule of NH3 will get eliminated. It will get cyclized after elimination of one molecule of amine from this ring. ठीक है, सो ऐसे होगा तो अपना स्ट्रक्चर बनेगा इन दिस फॉर्म. So we are going to get our structure in this form. This is the 7 membered ring as one molecule of NH, then one got eliminated already. So this is our ring, benzene ring. Sorry. Here like this. So we got this much. Now what else we required? We required carboxamide group. To get carboxamide group on this nitrogen atom, okay, we are going to add COCl2 and ammonia, one more amine groups. So we are going to elimination of one NH3 it is, okay, first one, second one. So addition of both this thing, we are going to elimination of one molecule of Cl2, we are going to get our carboxamide group. Okay. Going to get our, already we don't have space, so we are going to get CO1 NH2. Okay. HCl and one more chlorine will get eliminated as a free radical. So you can write saturation like this, you can write saturation. Can't write like this. Bonds were associated like this because it is in sharing. So double bond will come over here. Don't do this mistake what I have done. कोई भी ring, अब समझे examination में what student will do normally, if it is benzene ring means what we will do, we'll write 3 double bond saturation over here. If you are writing saturation in the wrong direction, so because this double bond is in sharing with the 7 membered ring, so यहाँ instead of writing over here double bond, if you are writing over here then it will get wrong. So वहाँ पे आपके मार्क्स कटेंगे. बाद में ये नहीं बोलना why we got the less marks. Okay, so this is the structure of carbamide. Simple synthesis है ना, बहुत simple है. Here what we are taking, 2 nitrobenzyl chloride, self alkylation in presence of sodium amide, will get one intermediate structure. That intermediate structure will eliminate proton, hydrochloric acid, will get the double bond. So that structure, catalytic reduction, NO2 will convert into NH2. Then one molecule of amine will get eliminated, the structure will undergo cyclization. When it will get cyclized, we are going to add the COCl2 and ammonia to get the carboxamide group on the structure, on the nitrogen atom. So this is the synthetic part of your carbamazepine. So metabolic process, अगर आप इसका देखेंगे, how this drug will get metabolized when it will get reach to the target part. When this drug will reach to the target part, what will do? So this मैंने पहले भी बोला था, here in between the 11 and 12 carbon atom, in between 11 and 12 carbon atom, we are having double bond. So when the drug will undergo metabolism, जब target part पे act करेगा, when it will reach to the target site, it will undergo metabolism with the oxide ion which were present in the receptor target parts. Epoxidation, this drug will undergo epoxidation. When it will undergo epoxidation, so this will convert into epoxide. Epoxide में convert होगा. It will undergo epoxidation. When it will get metabolism. जब हम लोग metabolism, इस drug का metabolism आएगा, write the metabolism involved with the carbamazepine. ऐसे question आया, then there you write this carbamazepine undergo metabolism with the epoxidation process by forming epoxide. Okay, by forming epoxide it gives two form of stereochemical structure. Okay, it undergo epoxidation in presence of epoxide, it gives two stereochemical form at the target part after the metabolism is cis-stelbin, because this is the derivative of immunostelbin. ठीक है, ये याद रखना कौन सी क्लास से बिलोंग करता है ये. This is the derivative of immunostelbin. When it will reach to the target part, when it will get metabolized, it will convert it into two form of structure, that is cis and trans, cis-stelbin and trans-stelbin, cis-stelbin and trans-stelbin, that is at position of 10s and 11s, transdiols. So it will give cis-stelbin and trans-stelbin. The epoxide will convert the cis and trans into 10s and 11s transdiols. ठीक है, अभी देखो मेटाबॉलिक प्रोसेस कितना इंटरेस्टिंग है. इट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग मेटाबॉलिक प्रोसेस. इट इज how it is interesting. I'm going to show you. कार्बामाइजेपिन जब मेटाबोलाइज होगा टारगेट रिसेप्टर पे, इट विल अंडरगो इपॉक्सीडेशन. ठीक है, epoxidation in presence of epoxidase enzyme, in presence of epoxidase. It will convert into two structure, that is cis-stelbin and trans-stelbin. ठीक है, trans-stelbin. इपॉक्सीडेशन हो रहा है इपॉक्साइड में. इपॉक्सीडेशन होने के बाद सिस और ट्रांस प्रोडक्ट दो आए. सिस और ट्रांस प्रोडक्ट जब दो आए, so this epoxide converted the structure into this form. This form of structures are revert into the stereochemical form in presence of that epoxidase enzyme into 10s and 11s transdiols. ठीक है, oxide ketonic group, oxidase group will convert it into alcohol. Here it is carbonyl form. Carbonyl form means ketonic form. That ketonic form will convert it into alcoholic form. ठीक है, means the structure when it will reach to the target part, it will form the tautomeric reaction, conversion of hydroxyl into the ketonic group. The ketonic will convert into hydroxyl group in presence of epoxidase enzyme. So this is the metabolism of that smallest and sweetest metabolism of carbamazepine. So this is about the carbamazepine. So this drug is used in the treatment of what? क्या पढ़ रहे हैं हम लोग? Used in the antidepressant. Excellent. Sare, almost all kind of seizure. This drug is useful in the treatment or blocking action of almost all kind of disorder, because the mechanism of action associated with blocking of repetitive kind of एक्शन पोटेंशियल. ठीक है, जब आयन को ही ब्लॉक कर रहा है, लिमिट फॉर्मेशन ऑफ लिमिटिंग ऑफ आयन इज देयर, देन इट इज एक्टिंग ऑन आयोनिक चैनल. If it is acting on ionic channel, then this drug is having capacity to block almost all condition of seizure, means epilepsy. Epilepsy means disorder. Disorder means anticonvulsant. So एक नाम लिख सकते हो, it is used in all kind of anticonvulsant. Drug of choice it is. So this is about the synthetic part. Next, last one, miscellaneous drug. Okay, we came to the last part, that is miscellaneous. Other drugs which were acting as anticonvulsant. Under miscellaneous part, we are having only one example in your syllabus, drug mentioned in your syllabus. Miscellaneous part के अंदर other than drug. So other drugs which are not belonging to any category, but they are having action to act on convulsant. ठीक है, so हमने पहले ही बोला था miscellaneous means जो other drug रहते हैं same action रहता है, but they are not belonging to the any category or any chemical category. So this is valproic acid. This is not belonging to any category of drug, but they are having capacity to act to block the seizures associated with the epileptic disorders. ठीक है, valproic acid. The structure I am going to write over here. Very interesting structure it is. CH3, CH2 and CH2. ठीक है, देखो ये CH, but here you are having the acid, carboxylic acid associated with that. So here one more CH2, okay, one more CH2, CH3. So this is valproic acid. इसका स्ट्रक्चर आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो इजी फॉर्म में, CH3, CH2, CH2, C कार्बन एटम, CH2. Some book it is given like this. Here it is CH, COOH. ठीक है, some book it is sodium. Now this one is sodium valproate. अगर ये पोटेशियम है तो प्रोटॉन निकल जाएगा, कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा सोडियम से, बट दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ वॉल्पोरिक एसिड. नाउ केमिकल नेम कैसे लिखेंगे इसका? हियर आल्सो वी हैव टू लेबल द कार्बन एटम. कार्बन एटम को लेबल करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर भी. हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लेबल द कार्बन एटम? वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द कार्बोनियल ग्रुप, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड ग्रुप, बिकॉज प्रायोरिटी वी आर गोइंग टू गिव ओवर हियर दिस कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. But here we are having two substituent associated with that. So carboxylic नीचे वाले चेन को हम लोग अलग रखते हैं. We are going to start with this one, 1, 2, 3. On fourth position we are having this carboxylic acid. इधर से भी आएंगे on fourth position. ठीक है, 4, 5, 6, 7. अभी एक चेन है अपनी, एक कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड ग्रुप एसोसिएटेड with this is there, means the IUPAC name for this structure is very easy. Means how many carbon atoms are there? You have to count it. Methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane. Okay, heptane it is 4 heptane कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. ठीक है, ऐसे भी कर सकते हो 2 प्रोपेनोइक एसिड. उतना डीप में मत जाना. अगर वाल्पोरिक एसिड है, राइट दिस केमिकल नेम, इट्स वेरी इजी. अदर केमिकल नेम्स आर लिटिल बिट डिफिकल्ट. इफ you are labeling in that form, then you will get confused to remember that one. and you will get confused to write the structure of that drug. Conversion of name to structure यही आएगा, chemical name. Then you have to write the chemical name of that structure. So this is about the structure. Now we'll see the uses. We know that this one is act as anticonvulsant, but this is belonging to the chemical class की अगर हम बात करेंगे, this is belonging to the category of valeric acid, derivative of valeric acid. It is miscellaneous drug. ठीक है. यूजेस की अगर हम बात करेंगे, इसकी जो ड्रग है वॉल्पोरिक एसिड, इट इज यूज्ड इन द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ एब्सेंस सीजर, सीजर्स, टॉनिक एंड क्लॉनिक सीजर, टॉनिक एंड क्लॉनिक सीजर, कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड पार्शियल, सीजर. So this is useful in the control or treatment of absence seizures, tonic, clonic, complex and partial seizures. So these are the main uses. But this also used as the treatment of mental retardation patients. This drug is used as pediatric purpose. Pediatric means it is used in the treatment of children who are not having the controlling power of central nervous system, means mentally retarded children. So the technical term associated with that is electroencephalography. Electroencephalography is a condition, the pediatric epileptic. This one is pediatric epileptic syndromes. Pediatric epileptic syndromes. If it is pediatric epileptic syndrome, means the children who are mentally retarded patient at very young age, that is 2 years of age. If that is the case, then we can treat the mental retardation associated with the absence seizure, tonic and clonic, complex and partial seizure. Overall, to say that this drug is used in the treatment of children who are having the electroencephalographic syndrome, that is EEG, encephalographic syndrome. So इसको treat करने के लिए valproic acid can be used. So this is the miscellaneous drug uses हो गया. Now the last drug, newer drug, last drug of anticonvulsant, पूरा last drug. This one is a new. It doesn't belong to any category of classification. Newer anticonvulsant, new drug which is act as anticonvulsant. The name of that drug is lamotrigide. So lamotrigide, this is the drug. Structure अभी मैं बनाऊंगी उसका. Benzene, then 2 chlorine atoms are associated with that phenolic group. So here connection of triazine, 3 nitrogen atom, and here you are having 1 NH2 group. Okay, here also you are having 1 NH2 group. Now double bonds. अब क्या करना है next work? The major work is to write the chemical name. To write the chemical name, we have to label the carbon atoms present हो, carbon atom and heteroatom present over here. ठीक है, तो 3 nitrogen atom है. We are going to start the numbering from here onward because here we are having 2 nitrogen. ऐसे नहीं start कर सकते दोनों सबको, it is very long distance. So यहाँ distance कम हो जाएगा, 1 2 3 4 5 6. ठीक है, over. Now so here we can't start from any chlorine atom substituted because this one is associated with this major ring. So we are going to start the numbering from here onward, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So this labeling will help us to write the chemical IUPAC name of the structure. I am writing IUPAC name of the structure. अब मैं इसका आयोपैक नाम लिखूंगी, ठीक है. So 3, 5 on third and fifth position, 3 and fifth position, what we are having? Diamine, 2 amino group, diamino, okay. On sixth position, one more substitution is there, diamino. On sixth position, we are having one more substitution, that is 2, 3. 2 chlorine atoms were there over there, है ना. 2, 3 dichloro phenyl, फिनाइल, ठीक है. अब बचा क्या अपने पास? नाइट्रोजन आइटम. अमाइन का हो गया सब्सटीट्यूटेड, जो भी था सबको कर लिया हमने. नाउ व्हाट एल्स इज रिमेनिंग? क्लोज द रिंग. 1, 2 and 4, 1, 2 and 4, what we are having? Triazine, ठीक है. So 3, 5 diamino. On 6th position we are having 2, 3 dichlorophenyl, 1, 2, 4 triazine. केमिकल क्लास क्या होगा? क्या होगा केमिकल क्लास? phenyl triazine. One phenyl is there, one triazine ring is there. So this is the chemical category of chemical class phenyl triazine, ठीक है. हो गया केमिकल क्लास. नाउ इट इज यूज्ड इन द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ एंटीकन्वल्सेंट. बस anticonvulsant, okay, is used in the treatment of anticonvulsant to block the seizure in 2-year patient. Newer drug as well as miscellaneous drug. 2-year patient means pediatric use. 2-year patient, the patient who is having 2 years of age, is used the treatment of partial seizure, primary seizure and generalized seizure. Partial seizure, primary seizure and generalized seizures used in 3 types. Partial seizure में tonic and clonic. Generalized seizure में the chemical name, see in the generalized seizure, it is a special category of seizure. The name is Lennox Gastaut syndromes. Lennox Gastaut syndrome, that is LGS. This problem is associated with the children, that is the loss of memory loss in children. The convulsion or seizure associated with the children, the name, special name, Lennox Gastaut syndromes. अगर आपको आया लॉन्ग फॉर्म, राइट द लॉन्ग फॉर्म ऑफ LGS. द लॉन्ग फॉर्म ऑफ LGS is Lennox Gastaut syndromes. That is one kind of seizure which is associated with generalized seizure, particularly in pediatric patient. ठीक है. So this is the important kind of seizure. This is about our anticonvulsant drug. We have done with the anticonvulsant. In the next class we are going to start with the antidepressant. तो कितने classification of drug हम लोगों ने किए? Almost all 12 drug we have done. 12 drug, ठीक है, and 1 synthesis. The 12 drugs are belonging to the chemical classification. अगर हम देखेंगे barbiturate, so इसका कोई drug है नहीं, but example is phenobarbital, ठीक है. Now हेडेंटॉइन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ हेडेंटॉइन के कितने ड्रग पढ़े थे हम लोगों ने? 3 ड्रग ऑफ हेडेंटॉइन. टोटल 12 ड्रग्स वेर देयर. फिनिटॉइन, मेफेटाइन एंड एथिटाइन. मेफेटाइन, फिनिटॉइन एंड एथिटाइन, MPE. I'll write the short form. Then third one is oxazolidine dione. oxazolidine diones. एक ही ड्रग है ऑक्साजोलिडीन डायन, दैट इज ट्राइमेथाडायन. 1 ड्रग. 3 and 4 ड्रग हो गए. दिस इज बिलोंगिंग टू द कैटेगरी ऑफ दिस. Then fourth classification, you have to write almost all class of drug which were acting on as anticonvulsant. So after oxazolidine, that is benzodiazepine. in the class of benzodiazepine, you are having diazepam and clonazepam, both the drugs. So here two drugs, 1 3 plus 3 6 drug यहाँ पे हो गए. Oxazolidine, succinimide is there, but कोई क्लास ऑफ ड्रग नहीं है आपके एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सिलेबस के एग्जाम्पल में कोई क्लास नहीं है. सक्सिनिमाइड example you have to write, but you don't have to study the drug. Phenytoin, methitone, etc. Wherever I am writing the number, so the structure as well as chemical name and uses you have to study. At the end, I am going to give you the structure, chemical name, chemical class, and uses. One chart of the drug I am going to provide you at the end of this chapter. Okay, no doubt. Succinimide, we know succinimide, that is phenoxamide. And sixth one, acetylated urea and derivative. Acetylated urea and derivative. इसका कुछ example है नहीं, drug, no drug is associated with this. Phenacamide. So ये पढ़ना नहीं है. So I have not written the number of the drug. Seventh one is carbonic anhydride inhibitor. Carbonic anhydrous inhibitors. इसका भी कोई भी एग्जाम्पल नहीं पढ़ना है, बट क्लास ऑफ ड्रग इज एसिटाजोलामाइड. एसिटाजोलामाइड इसका नहीं पढ़ना है. 6 ड्रग्स और सेवेंथ के बाद 8th वन गाबा इनहिबिटर्स. That is gamma amino butyric acid inhibitor. Here you are having 3 drugs, that is progabide, vigabatrin and tegabide. That is P, V and G. ठीक है, 3 ड्रग, 3 and 3 6 7 8 9 ड्रग हो गए अभी यहाँ पे. Then 9th one, immunostelbin. Just now we have done with this immunostelbin, carbamazepine, carbamazepine. So synthesis पढ़ना है इसका, class of drug का, uses पढ़ना है, chemical name, then metabolism, mechanism of action. Everything we have done with this. ठीक है, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This one is a 10. ठीक है, 9. बस लास्ट वाला बता के छोड़ देती हूँ ना. देन रिकॉर्डिंग यू कैन सी. मिसलेनियस के अंदर वाल्पोरिक एसिड, टाइम इज देयर, स्टिल टाइम इज देयर. किसने बोला बस. 11th वन न्यू ड्रग वाल्पोरिक एसिड, एंड अनदर वन इज लैमोट्रेगिन. सो कितने ड्रग हो गए, 11 and 12. वन सिंथेसिस एंड बाकी के सारे स्ट्रक्चर, केमिकल नेम एंड यूजेस. Okay, we have done with our anticonvulsant. In the next class, we are going to start with the antidepressant. शाइस्ता, आप अटेंडेंस मुझे भेज दो प्लीज. ठीक है, टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज. जिसने भी बस बोला आराम करो अभी जाके. जीशान बोला ना, जीशान ना. वेट, आई एम टेकिंग स्क्रीनशॉट्स. Okay. Any doubt? No doubts? No doubt? किसी को कोई डाउट?